Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video, we will explain the extend command, a very useful command for continuing existing lines through their trajectory until encountering another object. In this project, we have a geometry consisting of a rectangle with subdivisions. Let's imagine that we want to extend the bottom two horizontal lines to the left vertical lines, completing the grid shape. We could very well just create new lines starting from the pre-existing ones to the left side. But this would create multiple lines instead of extending the ones we already have, complicating the drawing. You will see that the extend command makes this process much more convenient. To activate this command, we type EX in the command line. When we activate the command, we will be prompted to select the object. We go ahead and click on this line to select it. We can already see that there is a preview of the line's trajectory. And we can see that the preview stops once it encounters the first vertical line, meaning this is where the extension stops, once it encounters another object. If this is what we want, we could go ahead and just click Enter. The issue is that for our current objective, we want the line to be extended all the way to the edge of the rectangle. To let LusoCAD know this is what we want, we activate the boundary subcommand. Before selecting the object, we type B in the command line to activate the subcommand. We now have to select the boundary, which is the left side of the rectangle. And once we select the boundary, we just have to select the line or lines to be extended. Let's go ahead and select both lines, completing the geometry. And they were correctly extended. It's important to know that for the line to be extended to a point or boundary, it must physically be in the way of the line trajectory. We cannot select a horizontal line that's over the line, for example. In this example, the line was extended to the left, but this process is the same for extending to the right. And if the line has space on both sides to be extended, we just have to use our mouse to select the direction we want. That was all for now for the extend command. Keep watching the course to further learn commands and tools in LusoCAD.